Alright guys, we're about to see if one of these hose clamps will work on that little muffler I'm making for the Motorized BMX. Did that just strip? I think it did. It just broke. That sucks. Orange BMX drop little bumper project. Alright, let's see if I can break one more.
Okay.
Gotta get my head right.
Gotta get my head right. Middle of the night, fighting off the demons. They're eating me alive, my guts are falling out. Maggots eating me, scared after death, and I'm dying in the streets, just articulate. I don't speak bold, I make sick beats, and I never wear gold. I want a monk robe, wear it till I'm old. Don't need cheese, just a...
Alright guys, we got the Motorized BMX out. We just put the new pipe on. We welded up the new pipe and made this little bracket for it out of some scrap stuff. We're about to start it up and see what it does, see what it sounds like. Alrighty, so that's on. Well, actually, it was already on. Okay, that's on. That's on. She's choked. I knew that would probably quiet her down a little bit. It'll probably fling that off, but I'll try to putt with it on there. I feel like it's more responsive. That's just with it just sitting on there, obviously. Woo! Oh, the tires spun a little bit. What? Whoa! Holy crap! I feel like it's got more response, like when you give it a little bit of gas, it's like a lot of gas all of a sudden. That may have been what woke up this engine, dude. Let me do a quick rip by. Whoa, dude, you ready? Whoa! Whoa! It just, dude, did you see that? Dude, I like got it to pop up a little bit. Wait, which position's choke? Maybe I had the choke on. No, that's choke. Okay, that's all the way open. It runs way different. It really does. Let's see if I can get it. No matter what. That's crazy. Right on. I mean, yeah, it's loud. I should build a little baffle for it, but. So I think the longer tailpipe definitely made a difference, I think, on its power. We just gotta build a little clamp now to where we can clamp this on in one position so it's not flying all over the place. And then I just gotta, like I said, build a different tube that's blocked off with some baffling in it, and this thing might be streetable again to where it's not too loud. Alright guys, if you like what we showed you in this video on the little orange BMX, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Keelan and I should be at it at least probably a couple videos every couple weeks or so. Maybe more depending on how I feel. Right on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.